Who doesn't love to walk on the beach and loves to play in the sea water? There are some such beaches in the world. All these beaches should be visited at least before your death. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. These are the 5 most unique beaches in the world. Number 5. The Glass Beach.
Are actually little tiny pieces of glass.
Usually we all think the beach is all about sand or stone, but California has a beach that is completely different because the beach is covered with glass. Glass Beach is a beach adjacent to McCarter State Park near Fort Bragg, California, named from a time when it was abundant with sea glass created from years of dumping garbage into an area of coastline near the northern part of the town. The pounding waves broke down the glass and pottery and tumbled these pieces into the small, smooth colored pieces that often become jewelry quality which cover Glass Beach. The beach is now visited by millions of tourists. Every year, about 1,000 to 1,200 tourists visit Fort Bragg's glass beaches each day in the summer. Most collect some glass and also because of natural factors. Number 4. Zakosualon Beach Island. Zakosualon is a large glacier beach in southern part of Vatnajökull National Park Island, striking black sand beach famed for the huge glistening iceberg fragment that drift to shore. One of the most bizarre beaches you will ever see due to the continuous melting of the nearby glaciers. The Zakosualon beach provides outstanding views of the ice cap. In the 1970s, with a constant supply of icebergs floating in the water, the geographical features that form here are breathtaking. Most spectacular is the Diamond Beach. These icebergs are seen in 2 shades, milky white and bright blue, which depends on the air trapped within the ice and times of the day when the light is bright. It feels like you have been transported to an entirely different world. Zakosualon beaches has been a setting for 4 Hollywood movies. Number 3. Vadu Beach. Vadu Beach is one of the inhabited islands of Atoll, Maldives. The island is 140.6 km north of the country's capital. Vadu Island is famous for the Sea of Stars. This marine bioluminescence is generated by phytoplankton known as dinoflagellates. The island itself is tiny with only 500 permanent residents. It was one of the most popular places in the Maldives. Because of this natural phenomenon, the glow of the plankton is actually a defensive measure and is triggered by nearby water movement. If you walk on this beach at night, you will see the natural beauty of this beach. Many visitors come down water in the beach to play at night. What a fun, right? Number 2. Bengal Sea Cave Beach, Portugal. If you have been searching for somewhere with crystal clear water, perfect sand and isolation from the rest of the world, then the Bengal Sea Cave Beach in Portugal is ideal for you. Located along the southern coast of the central Algarve between the popular tourist destinations of Praia, local residents looking to enjoy the warm summer weather on the beach. Cave Beach has been voted as one of the most beautiful in the world, and it isn't hard to see why. With its clear blue waters and impressive rock formations and stakes in the sea, the tidal forces have carved incredible structures with arches and a giant skyline with a beach nestled inside. You need a kayak or a boat to get there, and there is never too many people who have made the trip on any given day. Number 1. Hot Water Beach, New Zealand. New Zealand is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and with such mountains and lush landscapes, it's no wonder that so many movies choose it as the place for filming. Hot Water Beach is on the east coast of the Coromandel Peninsula, New Zealand. It is approximately 12 km southeast of Waitangi and approximately 175 km from Auckland by car. Its name comes from underground hot springs that filter up through the sand between the high and low water tidal ridges. Hot Water Beach is a popular destination for both locals and tourists visiting New Zealand. Annual visitors have been estimated at 7 lakh people. It is one of the most popular geothermal attractions in the whole world. It is possible to dig into the sand, allowing hot water to escape the surface, forming a hot water pool. The water temperature is 147 degrees Fahrenheit. If you love digging holes on the beach and relaxing in hot geothermal waters, there is nowhere else in the world that's quick like it. So if you are in the area, it's well worth a visit. Thanks for watching our video. See you next time. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.